Hair is damaged by three major issues: heat, chemicals, and UV light. Other companies create products based on situational damage to the hair and ignore the foundational problems. We build products differently. Introducing the Revans Hair System, created for the way your hair is formed, grows, and flows, from the micro level to the shimmer. With the only patented system of its kind in the world, Revans is a unique, customized hair care system truly formulated for the individual and enhanced by Nanomeg technology. Our mission to create a customized hair system begins by acknowledging the fact that each person's hair is different, exists in a unique environment, and can't be treated the same way. We embrace this and have found a means to create a customized system just for you. Is your hair fine, medium, or coarse? Is it straight, wavy, or curly? Is your climate arid or humid? Are you at a high elevation or low? Your answers to each of these questions and more set in motion a precise formula adjusted for your unique hair qualities. This level of customization gives you supreme protection, flexibility, and longevity, with the ability to wash your hair less often, stop breakage, stop brassiness, prevent hair loss, and stop dry scalp. And that's just the beginning. Our remarkable patented Nanomeg technology creates a structure on the inside and outside of the hair. It takes 60,000 proprietary nanoparticles to cover the width of one single hair. The engineered polarity of the natural ceramic magnesium particles causes them to align in a perfect order along the hair follicle. This lattice gives your hair superior strength and vitality against UV, heat, and chemical damage. There is nothing else like it in the world. Other companies talk about customization or about protecting your hair, but there's not a company in the world that goes to the level that Revans does. Everything we do is done differently because of our experience and our dedication to the individual, and because of our unique Nanomeg technology. Don't leave your hair at risk of damage by the environment or the treatments. It's time to experience the revolution of the Revans hair system.